Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the collaboration feature on Instagram, or how to send a collaboration request on Instagram. So let's get started. Now this tip I'm about to share is very easy to do. Now the first step you have to take in doing this is to log into your Instagram account and then go to your Instagram profile. Now, once you go to your Instagram profile, you will have to click on this plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, if you click on that, you'll be displayed with these options. Now, the Instagram collaboration feature can be used on the post feature or the reels feature, story highlights, or the live feature. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do this using the post feature for this video. So I'm going to click on this post option. And then if I click on that, I'll have to select the picture that I actually want to post. So I'm going to choose this one. And then I'm going to click on this next at the top right corner, next again. And now I'm going to be displayed with this option. Now what I have to do now is to click on this tag people option. We are not actually going to tag someone, but we can find the collaboration feature right there in the tag option. So if you click on that, you find this invite collaborator. So the essence of inviting a collaborator is if you want to have a second author, like someone who we stand as someone who is posting this post together with you, or someone who you want to share this picture with, so that the picture can reach his or her own follower. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So click on the invite collaborator up button, and then search for the user you want to invite to collaborate with. So I'm going to search for this person. I'm going to click on that, and you find the person here. So if I click on this check button at the top icon of my screen, now this collaboration invitation will be sent to this person, and then the person will have to accept the invitation before I can be able to collaborate with this person. So I'm going to click on this OK button at the top, and then I'll click on that again, and then I'm done. So now the invite will be sent to that person, and that person will have to accept the invite before the person can be able to collaborate with me on this photo. So guys, this is how to use the collaboration feature on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If you think it was, give this video a like, and equally subscribe to this channel if you're new. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.